Hello, here's the pitch deck of VIV.com. We will give you a presentation that provides a brief but informative overview of our project. Our project, VIV, is on a mission to be a leading Web3 smart contract platform, based on blockchain technology, containing escrow features, supporting multiple public chains, and covering dozens of smart contract usage scenarios. In the Web3 era, user data, on-chain data, off-chain data, and digital assets are all interacting with smart contracts. Here we got the problem that the design and development of smart contracts have a high entry barrier, which becomes an obstacle to the development and popularization of Web3. To solve this problem, VIV provides a barrier-free and also easy-to-use smart contract platform with various smart contract templates to help users to access Web3 with one click. Users can flexibly customize and deploy smart contracts to manage their digital assets, initiate transactions, and execute agreements according to their needs. If users want to create and deploy a smart contract in a traditional way, they need to go through a tedious process as we listed in the left column. It requires users to have professional programming knowledge. Even if users complete all steps and successfully deploy their smart contracts, the deployed smart contracts may still have vulnerabilities. On the contrary, by using VIV platform, users can simply create and deploy a smart contract with only one click, and the security of smart contracts is guaranteed. VIV provides various smart contract templates for users to initiate diverse transactions. Currently, there are 8 smart contract templates, including one-time transaction, auction, installments, recurring payments, NFT lending, trust fund, crowdfunding, and DAO. Each of the smart contract templates provides configurable parameters. According to the parameters provided by users, the corresponding smart contracts can be generated and deployed on the chain. We will continue adding smart contract templates to provide greater flexibility for users to meet a wider range of needs. To facilitate user interaction with smart contracts, we also provide VIV wallets with various features. Users can either create or import a wallet on VIV. A third-party wallet can be linked to VIV platform as well, such as MetaMask and Wallet Connect. In addition to basic wallet features, VIV wallets also support multiple functions such as multi-signature wallet, batch transfers, reversible transfer, fund collection, and address book. Completing transactions on VIV platform is very simple. The transaction initiator will need to select a smart contract template and fill in the detailed information according to their needs. After confirming the information, the smart contract with a transaction page will be generated. Users can share the transaction page URL with others, and both parties can complete the transaction on the page. To prevent disputes, the initiator can choose a dispute resolution plan when creating the smart contract on VIV. If there is a dispute, the arbitrator will arbitrate based on the evidence uploaded by both parties to determine the final ownership of the assets in the smart contract. There are currently several arbitration methods, including VIV arbitration, third-party arbitration, and community vote. The income of VIV platform consists of the service fee which VIV charges the pay of each transaction, and the arbitration fees VIV collects from arbitrations in which VIV participates. VIV's smart contract templates will be supervised by code audit, open source, and other means to ensure security, so that users can enjoy the benefits of using smart contracts by spending less money, including substantially less human error and fraud. Users will have no worries as there is neither third-party manipulation nor identity information required, and the transaction is irreversible once the smart contract is generated. In summary, VIV offers multiple smart contract templates for users to manage their digital assets in a safe and transparent way so that users can enjoy worry-free transactions. VIV also offers the escrow feature to protect payment via third-party arbitration and community vote. In addition, VIV is an open-source platform. Users can easily review the code of smart contracts anytime they want. Lastly, multiple chains and tokens are supported. Users can trade with tokens on blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Chain, Tron and more. For the market size, data shows the global smart contracts market size is projected to reach $1,460.3 million by 2028, at a compound annual growth rate of 24.2% from 2022 to 2028. The growth of smart contract applications in various industries significantly drives the smart contract market size. Data also shows that there are more than 320 million crypto users worldwide. Starting from 2019, the cryptocurrency market is expected to grow 56.4% by the year 2025. The rising popularity of blockchain and cryptocurrency is increasing the demand for smart contracts. Let's move to VIV roadmap. The first phase, which we have completed. VIV supports online transactions based on smart contracts and offers various transaction scenarios. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance and Tron blockchain networks also are supported. Meanwhile, the development of the mobile platform is completed. During the second phase, which is projected to be realized by the second quarter of 2023, an online marketplace will be built in VIV platform, and publishing commodities will be bounded to smart contracts. Furthermore, a transaction interface will be provided to business end users. The third phase, by the fourth quarter of 2023, a community governance mechanism and an economic system based on community ecology will be established. In conclusion, smart contracts, coupled with their immense capabilities, are of importance in achieving an entirely decentralized economy in Web3, such as building next-generation websites, decentralized applications, or online businesses. We are riding the wave of Web3 and commit to building our VIV into an open community with multi-party participation. We believe we can establish VIV successfully and grow it into a scalable technology company worldwide. As we always believe, technology brings a better future to the world. That's all for our presentation. Now, let's move on to the product demonstration of VIV.com.
Welcome to VIV.com demonstration. Here is the homepage of VIV.com. Users can see our product summary, concept, features, smart contract template introductions, roadmap, and other information here. Users can also download VIV apps from the App Store and Google Play using their smartphones. At the bottom, there are the frequently asked questions sections, support information, and links to our social media. After logging into the system, click the button on the upper right corner to enter the VIV dashboard. Users can operate all VIV functions here. Here we can see the recent transactions, wallet, exchange rates and gas fees. Scroll down, we can see the balance summary, VIV blog articles, and some support information. Users can switch the main wallet at the top here. We can add a new wallet by connecting to a third-party wallet, creating a new wallet, or importing an existing wallet. Here, users can see the smart contracts that are in progress. Click more on the top. All contracts are displayed here, including both history contracts and contracts that are in progress. Users can filter them to find the contract they want to see. If users want to initiate a new smart contract, just click on Initiate Transaction at the top left corner. Users will see 8 types of smart contract templates that are currently supported here, including one-time transaction, auction, installments, recurring payments, NFT lending, trust fund, crowdfunding, and DAO. VIV will continue adding more smart contract templates here. Let's take one-time transaction as an example. First, users can see the supported public chains and tokens, also the transaction process instruction here. Click Next. Users can fill in the product details, including product name, product type, product link, and product description, and users can also upload a picture. For the payment, users will choose the wallet to receive the fund, and set up the price. Then, set the confirm receipt time and dispute resolution plan, and submit the smart contract. Type in the PIN and confirm. VIV will generate a corresponding smart contract and page for users. Users can share the URL and send it to others. Here we use another account to open the URL generated. Both parties of the transaction can view the transaction details and do further operations following the instruction on the page. Back to our account. Here is a transaction page the buyer has paid, then we can add the shipping info following the page instruction to go to the next step. If users want to view their own assets or manage their wallets, simply click Wallet on the sidebar, and all information is displayed here. If users want to send tokens to others, click on Send here. Users need to enter a receiver's wallet address and the token amount. After entering the transaction PIN, it can be sent successfully. We also designed multiple functions such as batch transfer, multi-sig wallet, reversible transfer and fund collection in wallet features, to facilitate user interaction with smart contracts and improve user experience. Sign up an account now and play around. Download our app from the App Store or Google Play. Join our community and participate in Web3 revolution together with VIV. That's all the basic product demonstration of VIV.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach us at info@viv.com. It's always a pleasure to hear from you.